Gerald Tribution. Our topic is how media changed my generation. Have you ever what life without social media for my generation, Gen Z? Social media is deeply woven into daily life. It shapes how we communicate, learn, interact, perceive, and ever form our identities. Imagining life without it can feel strange, but it also opens up interesting perspective. For communication will be different without social media platform like Instagram, TikTok, Tinder, or Snapchat. Gen Z will rely on direct messaging, app, phone call, or face-to-face conversation. This might lead to deeper, more meaningful interaction, but people spontaneous wide react updates, information and trends spread more slowly. Social media accelerates how quickly news and trends travel. Without it, Gen Z might discover new music, fashion, or idea more slowly possible. Traditional media or word of mouth. And for my generation, more time for offline activities. Without the endless scroll, more time could be spent on hobbies, reading, sports, or in-person socializing, potentially leading to more balanced lifestyle. For my final thought, while social media offers incredible benefit, imagining life without it reminds us to balance online and offline worlds. For Gen Z, this balance could to healthier relationship, creativity, and well-being.